Ciani Crib. The Ciani EC.41/64 Crib or SSVV EC.41/64 Crib was a single-seat, high-performance glider designed and built in Italy in the 1960s. Only one was built. Design and development. Riccardo Ciani's chief target with his crib design was a glide angle of at least 35, one using a wingspan of less than 18 and 59 ft1 in. It had a three-part wing, built around a single spar and covered with narrow poplar strips. The wing was high-mounted and of constant taper plan with semi-elliptical tips. Ailerons filled most of the trailing edges of the outer panels, and there were parallel ruler-type air brakes, extending above and below the wing, mounted at mid-chord towards the outer ends of the center section. The crib's fuselage had an ovoid cross-section, narrowing slightly towards the tail. Its pilot sat ahead of the wing leading edge in a semi-reclining position under a single-piece canopy that continued the smooth upper fuselage line. The straight tapered horizontal tail was mounted on top of the fuselage with the elevators ahead of the rudder hinge. The port elevator carried a trim tab. The fin and rudder were both straight-edged, round-tipped and swept, with the rudder reaching down to the keel. The crib had a semi-recessed fixed monowheel undercarriage, fitted with brakes and assisted by a skid with rubber shock absorbers and a shallow tail bumper. The crib, like Ciani's other designs, was built by the Ciani Sperimentale di Volo a Vela SSVV, an offshoot of Aero Club Volovilistio Milanese, who completed it in the spring of 1966. It was hoped that small series production would result, but this did not happen. Specifications. Data from Italian vintage sailplanes. General characteristics. Crew 1. Length 7. 50 m 24 ft7 in. Wingspan 17. 65 m 57 ft11 in. Wing area 15. 50 m 166. 8 sqft. Aspect ratio 20. Airfoil Epler 257. Empty weight 240 kg 529 lb. Gross weight 365 kg 805 lb. Performance. Maximum glide ratio 35:1. Wing loading 23. 50 kg/m24. 81 lb/sqft. References